In today's tutorial, I want to show you how to boost your computer performance in 3 simple steps. And step 1, come to Start button, right click and click on Run. Then here, type %10%, just like this, and click on OK. So this will open all temporary and useless files that are slowing down your system. Then you can now highlight all and delete because they are temporary files which are useless but slowing down your system. Yes, we've deleted those temporary files. So let's go to second step. The second step, press Ctrl Shift Escape. So this will open the task manager. Then come to Startup. Come to this startup. These are apps that dragging back your system. Just look at the ones that you don't need to come up at startup and disable them. For instance, this Microsoft Team Classic, I don't need it, so I will right click on the one you want to disable and disable it. So it has been disabled. So once you disable those ones you don't need, it will increase the performance of your system. Let's go to step 3. Let's close this. For step 3, come to this search bar and press CMD. So this is the command prompt. Right click and run as administrator. So it will open this interface. Then type SFC space scan now. Then press enter. This will scan all your system and all useless and irrelevant files will be scanned and deleted. After this, your system becomes faster and perform very well. Like this video and subscribe.